Boo, I thought I charged it. Well, let's see how long it goes. Okay. Come on. There you go. Stuff's breaking already. I barely even touched it. It's old plastic, man. What is this thing? 05? 20-year-old plastic? Yes. Be super gentle with it. It still breaks. Come on. Probably cut myself on one of these Honda shrouds than any other type. Dude, dang, sharp. Scoot that over a little for you. Yeah, not the best part. Okay. That top one's gonna be fun, dude. What? Come on. Oh, thing's really in there. Pop. Come on. Alright, dude, come on. Dude, these ones are in here so hard. Eesh. Come on. There we go. That's the fun one. Come on. Oh no, come on, dude. There we go. This one's the worst. Come on. There you go. That's a fun one. Come on. Yeah. Getting loose. Use this side. That's much better. Come on. Come on. That's a fun one. Okay. Oh crap, that's partly turned. What? That's not what I wanted. Alright. Oh, not good. Come on. Okay. That's really stuck. Okay. Come on. Come out for me. Guess I'm not. That's way in there. Okay. Yep, I'll drill it. So it's right there. It's right there. Come on. There we go. Pulling. Is the battery dead? Okay. Guess so. Blowing away. Beautiful. Now what if I can get the little dinghy back in there? That totally looks like a turd. No. Don't fall out. Where'd it go? Whatever. Oh. There we go. It's as much fun to put back on. Well done, well done, well done. Okay, it's tight enough for now. Oh. Well done. Come on. Total dummy keys, huh? Beautifully smooth. All right. This one we'll just put in. Oh, don't put it in all the way. I get this terrible one. Let's get you back. stay in here while it all. Come on. Yeah, right. Come on. There we go. Give me a couple twists. Just a couple little twists. Stay there. Sweet. What? Oh gosh, it just starts playing for no reason. Alrighty. That's super cool. Okay. It's just dead. Alrighty. Oops. Oops. Okay. Heat. Power. Alright, let's get this guy put back on now. Not that bad. Alright. Now let's give you a go. Come on, we lined up. Everyone good? That's right, that's where the thing fell off. Then that one then I find its home. Maybe. Yep, it did. Beautiful. Alright, that concludes the tool-related aspects. That's pretty expensive ignitions, too. Alright, let's cut this guy a key. Put these up here. started first. M752. This looks like a decent ignition. Bink, go. Honda HO3. No. Oh wait, no, I gotta go. Minneapolis, that's where I want to go. All right. There we go. M752. Lots real thinker on this one. You're right. Hey, this is Blake, the locksmith. Hey there. You called about the key for your 2018 Mazda, right? Sure, real quick, if I can ask, what is the model? The guy never writes it down for me, I'm sorry. So it's going to be probably like a 3 or a 7 or 9 or... See, is that what it is, CX3? Okay, no, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, cool, but go on, what were you saying? Okay, real quick, if I can interject again, this is a push-button start vehicle, or do you put the key in and turn? Okay, I just want to make sure. Okay. Okay. Where did you get this fob from? Like Amazon or something? eBay, cool. Yeah, does it have the Mazda logo on it or not? Okay, that's an aftermarket one. Yeah, I mean, I've had with the computers I have, it usually works pretty well programming aftermarket Mazda fobs, so it shouldn't be an issue, but it's potentially. Sometimes they don't program, but they usually work. Yeah. Okay, when are we trying to have this done? I have a little garage size van I can fit in there just fine. So I'll just have you guys open it up. I can drive in there right next to your vehicle. And while I got you on the line, what is the address where you're located with the car?
It is 703 Central Ave, Northeast, Minneapolis, Minnesota 55414.
Okay, cool, perfect. I'm just finishing up an appointment here, and you guys are my next stop. I'll give you a call here shortly with an ETA. Okay.
I do have another question.
Sure.
Do you guys take card? Or is it
yeah. I can take card, Venmo, Zelle, all that fun stuff, and we can figure that out once I get there and we get everything working for you.
Okay, and I will say it is pretty tight in the garage. I don't know how big your van is.
It's a little work van. I got it specifically for driving into garages in Minneapolis, specifically for that reason.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, cool. I will talk to you soon here.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, bye.
Bye.
It's a little guy. Why is the internet not working? What? Okay. I can't believe I even have to go on the internet with this now. Oh my gosh. No, that's not what I meant to do. System, WLAN. Security, dude, I've told you it a million times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there it says, I think I suppose correct. Oh my gosh, dude. I miss my old computer. You good now? Are you on now? Goodness. No, it says it's online. Everything gotta be on this stupid internet. Well, we'll start making this key, I guess, for the remote. Jeez Louise, man. Yeah, it's online, dude. Where's the wire? There it is. Almost dropped it. Nice. You can't, yeah, there, you automatically connected to the internet. All keys lost. Honda M752. Please work. Oh my goodness, thank you. Oh. Yep, we got that done. 313151, 313151. And then we got 622131. Okay. That checks out. Have to charge this thing soon too. Hold on. Start playing Tetris in this van. That. Just grab this one I already have made. Why not? Nope, works for me. It's even got a battery. Come on. Honda Civic. That's the guy I want right there. Well, the old one's programmed the same as the new ones. Looks good. All right, now we got our universal remote made here. There that goes. power locks. This one should have remote. I can't remember the last one it didn't work on. It's almost warm. Oh boy. Okay. Excuse me. Let's leave that on for now. Oh. Dude. Good thing too, because I cut the wrong key. You got me. You got me, Honda. Is there like one left in here? At least one. Dang, man. We'll see if it turns. Oh, I'm a dummy. Well, charge this bad boy up. It's not gonna let me cut anymore. Come here. Well, let's try the remote while it does that, I guess. It turns beautifully. Come on. Damn it. Come on. I still have that old Honda remote somewhere. Let's try. Give it a try. There, you trash. What's this? Dodge. Ford. Nissan. Honda. Ow. There we go. Please tell me I have to put that old thing in here. What's that? Oh, it's trash. Why would I get rid of it, dude? Where is it? No! Bogus, man. Thought I had one. Shoot. Is it? Okay, well, let's go program the chip at least. Get that done. Got a key for the door. It's just bombing. Let's work on these. Okay, this is the right chip now. Come on. Come on. Key program. Honda Civic. Yes, the mobilizer light is out. Alright. It's not beeping? That's funny. It always beeps. There, now I hear it beeping. Oh, come on. N707. Oh, that's like one of the clearest ones I've ever seen. N707, come on. I feel like this needs to go just a hair that way. N707, huh? Let's make sure it looks like this. He wasn't kidding, I think it's really worn out. N707. 355, 651, 355, 651. Yeah, that's brutal. 631, 351, 631. Oh my goodness. Okay. This freaking, these Civics with these remotes, man. Come on. Ah, there's a chip in there I can still use. Whatever. Now it recommends I use the 1.5 cutter. Okay. Oh, I might have done the wrong frequency. Come on. Yeah. Unreal. 1, 2, 3. Why do I have to have at least one working? You guys need to settle down. I'm still in the middle of finishing up an appointment from last week.